Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long division using an easy method. Long division is a fundamental arithmetic skill that helps us solve problems involving larger numbers. It systematically breaks down a big division problem into a series of simpler steps. We will cover the setup, the core operations, and how to interpret your final answer, including any remainders. This approach makes even challenging divisions straightforward. First, let's set up our problem correctly. Imagine a long division bracket, sometimes called a bus stop symbol. The number being divided, known as the dividend, goes inside this bracket. The number you are dividing by, the divisor, sits outside to the left. Your answer, the quotient, will be written on top of the bracket, directly above the dividend. This clear arrangement is crucial for an organized solution. Now, let's dive into the 4 core steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. First, divide the initial digits of the dividend by the divisor. Write that result above. Next, multiply that new quotient digit by the divisor and place it below the dividend's current section. Then, subtract to find the remainder. Finally, bring down the next digit from the dividend to form a new number, and repeat these 4 steps. You will continue repeating the divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down steps until there are no more digits left in the dividend to bring down. If, after your final subtraction, you have a number greater than 0 but smaller than your divisor, that number is your remainder. Your complete answer is the quotient you built on top, followed by the remainder, if one exists. This systematic approach ensures accuracy every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.